Today I will show how to prepare Chinese prawn vegetables with a special sauce. Vinegar 1 tablespoon, olive oil 1 tablespoon, black pepper 1 tablespoon, chicken powder 1 teaspoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, chopped ginger garlic 1 tablespoon, salt 1 tablespoon, corn starch 4 tablespoon, flour 4 tablespoon, egg 1 piece, shrimp 1 kg. Mix vinegar with the prawn, olive oil, black pepper, salt, chicken powder, red chili powder, ginger garlic paste, corn starch, flour, 1 piece egg. Now mix it. Now marinate it for 30 minutes. Add shrimp in hot oil for deep fry. Fry half of the shrimps at a time. Let it set and fry for 4 minutes. It is done. Transfer it on a kitchen paper. Now fry rest of the shrimps on medium flame. Fry it for 4 minutes. It's done. Transfer it on a kitchen paper. Soya sauce 2 tablespoons, corn starch 4 tablespoons, lemon juice 1 tablespoon, chicken powder 2 tablespoons, tomato sauce 4 tablespoons, chili sauce 4 tablespoons, chicken stock 2 cups. Add chicken stock in a bowl. Soya sauce, corn starch, lemon juice, chicken powder, tomato sauce, chili sauce. Now mix well. Sauce is ready. Ginger 2 tablespoons, garlic 2 tablespoons, spring onion 2 tablespoons, green capsicum 1 piece, onion 3 piece, red capsicum 1 piece, yellow capsicum 2 piece. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Crushed ginger, crushed garlic, fry it for 2 minutes. Add spring onion, yellow capsicum, red capsicum, onion, green capsicum, fry it for 2 minutes on high flame. Add sauce, mix well. Now it becomes thick. Add prawn. Now add 1/4 teaspoon sesame oil. Mix it. It's done. Now dish out it. Chinese prawn vegetables with a special sauce is an incredibly delicious recipe. If you like my recipe, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching YouTube channel Health is Beauty.